Boom shakalaka, CPI numbers cause massive pump across all asset classes. Is this a fake out? What it means for Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and you. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we're taking a look at the CPI numbers, the effect on Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, what it means for everybody. Is this a fake out or should we actually be optimistic? Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us over on Twitter at @cryptolove. Push that like button. And today, fear and greed at 25, but this is a lagging indicator. If prices stay the same tomorrow, it should be a little bit higher. The overall market up 12% today, but still down about 15% for the week. But let's just look at today because it's up. Bitcoin at 17,344, Ethereum at 1273, BNB at 295, XRP 38 cents, Cardano 36 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, and Polygon $1.08. Polygon's been on an absolute tear recently. Now, Bitcoin, this does look quite optimistic. It appears like Bitcoin actually bounced what was previous resistance, this white line right here. It may have bounced off of this line, which could become support. Could be changing the direction of the trend. The trend is your friend. In a downtrend, it's going down. Once that downtrend changes to an uptrend, starts going back up. And if you want to know the top coins today, based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, they would be Pax Gold, Caspa, Telos, DeFi Money, and Euler. And you can check out Token Match for yourself. There is a discounted link down in the description. Now, big news today, CPI numbers, 7.7. Oh my gosh, this is amazing considering last month it was 8 and whatever. Is this a surprise? I don't really know, you know? So, that being said, it caused a massive, massive pump in the markets across all asset classes. Stocks, gold, Bitcoin, and the euro all up after the CPI report, up huge. Now, we've been looking at recently the put to call premium. Everybody has been betting on the markets going down. But we have some evidence that, you know, maybe like Fed chairmen or people like that are saying, hey, no reason for a recession anymore. So we've kind of known for a little while that things, or maybe Treasury Secretary, yeah, it was Yellen. Treasury secretaries have been saying, no, there's no need to fear. The economy's strong. No recession coming. So that being said, we might have had different things coming. As a matter of fact, we've been looking at the smart money confidence at record high levels. Almost never seen before, but previous times when it was seen, it was great times to buy. And we saw this once again. As a matter of fact, this chart here, this indicator at a level never seen in almost 2 decades. Ditch your emotions, follow the smart money. They position long as though a massive rally is in the works. This might be the beginning of something absolutely huge, with a little caveat warning coming up sometime shortly. Now, Bitcoin price appears like it fell down to the holders of last resort levels from the real Plan C. This is long-term holder cost basis times entity adjusted liveliness. This was the bottom in 2015, in 2019, and it looks like it was pretty darn close to the bottom once again. Now, this is a chart he published all the way back in October, but it seems to have come to fruition. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin, for the first time in its history, has broken below the rainbow price chart indicator, dropping below fire sale to just basically steal. Like, you can't get it at a better price than this. They're basically giving it away, and nobody wants it. Well, I want it. I bought some yesterday. I told you guys about that. Now, Bitcoin. This is the caveat. Be careful. So far, it's only a bearish retest from the June lows. June lows, $17,600. Keep it simple. If we can reclaim that line, $17,600, it's bullish. If that becomes resistance, we stay below that line, bearish. So a very, very important level, the $17,600 level, to keep an eye on. You definitely want to watch that because here's the thing. If we have a bullish scenario for Bitcoin, the confluence area, since the structure is breaking on the weekly, the only scenario it can envision is one, this line right here. We could have a very, very bullish time coming up soon. But if it breaks below there, we might come down to this T2 level, which would bring the price all the way down to like the $10,000 level and then gradually back up to 17. Or if it breaks that, potentially T3, which could bring it down to around $9,000 before coming up. So, very critical levels to keep your eye on. Everything looks interesting. It appears like smart money is loading up like never before. But, you know, going all in is always the dumbest freaking thing you can do. But everybody's a gambler, so I'm not judging. You can do it. You do you, you know? So, This indicator, though, in the history of Bitcoin, the double stochastic oscillator has never been at this level for as long as it is now. We're buying at levels that many people will dream about in the next few years. After bad times come good times. You can see we've been in a bear market for a long freaking time, over a year and a half. And as you can see here, this double stochastic indicator has been going sideways for a long time. This was 4 bars, this was 7 bars, and this is 8 bars at the time being. So already we've had a phenomenal buying opportunity for a long time. Now it may last longer, but it may be getting close to the end, because if we have a repeat of 2018, have you prepared for this scenario? We have decreasing tops, we have a little bit of a bottom right there, break through the bottom, and then whew, going back up like we did in 2018. Could this have been the bottom? Could this have been the test? Certainly could be. I mean, especially if we get like a very fast recovery with what everybody's thinking with these CPI numbers. Everybody's partying with their pants off, lampshades on their head, and with every asset class going up, this might continue for a little while. We might see a V-shaped recovery similar to what we saw post-COVID. But, you know, we'll just have to see. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.